Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, N to the E to the D over at MPD, coming blah, 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 and all that stuff. It's hot today. I'm back in the Philippines. It's hot. The temperature outside is around 93. The real field temperature is about 120. It's sweaty, it's sultry, it's disgusting. So we're going up to Pulangbato. We're going up to the mountains to go to the freezing cold waterfall. Pulangbato means red rock. And then after that, we're going to the hot springs. Make an afternoon of it. We're going with Brian Beckley. You can check out Brian Beckley's YouTube channel. He's been putting out a lot of good stuff. And a friend of his, Jen. And we're going to be doing that this afternoon because it's just hot and it's summertime in the Philippines. And on a day like this, it's just good to go up to the mountains and get away from it all. I'll also be wearing my bathing suit once again. While I was gone, Lynn actually appropriated this bathing suit appropriation, and she turned it into a dress. It actually looked pretty good on her, and you can actually check it out right here. Yeah, that's her in the dress. Well, that's her in my bathing suit. She turned it into a dress. So I'll be wearing this once again. We're going up there. My back's in bad shape. My back is really bad right now. My back is whack. So hopefully the cold water and then the hot water will help that out. Right, babe? So come on up with us. We're inviting you to join us. Pulangbato, Philippine Dreams. Check it out.
Yeah.
All right. So we have arrived at the house of Brian. It's not Brian's house here in the Philippines. It's the house of Brian. And we're going to pick up Jen and Brian, and we're heading up to Pulangbato to cool off because it's a hot day. And you can tell we're here at Brian's because the dogs are barking. The house of Brian. Big Punisher. Big Pun. Hi, Jen. How are you? Here's Brian's house. This is my TV. Brian still hasn't given the TV back, I noticed. Yeah, we're going to work on that. Oh, look, he's got a little home gym thing going. Nice. And I'm going to do... I crack my back. No, it didn't work. It's not inflated enough. Again, we did a video on Brian's house before, and the thing I like about his house the best is the Samsung digital inverter refrigerator, otherwise known as a ref. A ref. Oh, it's so nice. And he's got Reese's peanut butter cups. We're gonna be tearing into that later. And he's got like liquor. I don't drink though. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I've turned over a new leaf. He's got yogurt. How much are these yogurts each? He's got peas. Canned peas.
Don't forget the Nutella.
Nutella. Yeah, come on, Nutella. And the ragu. Chunky. This is why they call it Pulangbato, red rock. And yeah, resty water, man. A lot of iron. God knows what else. All right, we have arrived at our destination, Pulangbato. As you can see, the entrance fee is 50 pesos for adults, 20 pesos for children. Please pay first, and once you pay, and Brian got there ahead of us. And Lynn is in here right now, paying our entrance fee, which is quite reasonable. And it's the same amount down at the warm springs. So after you get freezing cold here, and they have a mallard duck. I've never seen one here, but they have a photo painting. And they also have Alcatraz. And free beer tomorrow. They always say free beer, but they never give us beer. So 50 pesos.
Worst tour guide ever.
And it's a good deal. And they got refreshments, Coca-Cola's, Red Horse, San Miguel Pilsens, San Miguel Lights, pineapple juice, waters, and Coca-Cola. Fuchenzo. And you can tell you have arrived at your destination at Pulangbato Falls, Valencia Negros Oriental. And there's the waterfall. I know it might not look like much, but you know, it's cold. And there's a little pool down there. Oh, and I just noticed there's actually a turn valve. I don't know if you can see it, the red turn valve. I guess you can turn the waterfall off. And this is the official Pulangbato mobile. Multicab, Suzuki Multicab. And they also have overnight accommodations, should you wish to stay here. This house for rent, day use, or nights, please inquire at front desk. And here we go. It's very exciting. This is very slick, actually. Whoa. Careful. Delicado. Delicado kaayo. And here's the falls. It's very nice. And I got some chairs out here. And this stuff's free. You don't have to pay extra to sit down and enjoy the grandeur of Pulangbato. And then people get selfies here. And you can actually go up. There's a trail up around where you can go. There's another waterfall further up beyond there. And they got a little nipa down there they put up. And people are getting photos and doing the usual tourist stuff like we're about to do. And up here, as you can see, held behind these very strong looking boards is the swimming pool, one of the swimming areas. And the water's freezing cold. And we got a location. And it's deep and it's cold. And it's very refreshing. And they got tables here. Yeah. Whoa. Very nice. And I dare somebody to jump off the top of that into the pool. I don't think it can be done. So our time at Pulangbato has come to an end, and we are heading off to the hot spring because the water here is cold. I was shivering. This one was convulsing. She was so cold because she has no body fat. Brian, on the other hand, was like a big hairy walrus. He was in the water for about 3 hours. We had to drag him out. Love you, bro. And again, after the cold water up in Pulangbato, you come down the road about 500 meters and you got Red Rock Hot Spring. And again, this is only 50 pesos each. And it's nice. The water's not hot. It's warm. 37 to 39.5 degrees Celsius from a naturally occurring spring. It's pretty cool. Go in there and warm up. Yes. Welcome, my boy, to the hot spring. And this is it. Sitting here for a little while. Half hour, 45 minutes. And then you got some little, what do you call them? Mermaids, yes, they're mermaids. They got the water coming out there, it's hitting dong in the head. Dude, no. Nice, man. Whoa, that was